This video is for the adults who are enrolled in the Champion Pro course. I'm Jen Zing, and I'm here to give you some tips for checking to see how many points and how many badges you've earned so far, and how many points and how many badges you still need to earn in order to complete the course or in order to complete all the assignments for each week. So let me share my screen with you and I'll go over this with you, and this should help with some navigation issues. So first of all, you see this is a home page and you'll see the green button here that says Ready, Set, Go. I'm going to click on the green button and then that will take me to all the weekly content. So orientation, you need to complete the orientation week to be able to earn enough points for the course. And then there's week 1, week 2, 3, and 4. You'll notice in this example that week 2, week 3, and week 4 are locked. That's because it hasn't opened yet. We provide 1 week of content each week. So you'll receive that each week, and that content usually opens up on Saturdays. So let's look at these tiles. These are called tiles, these squares on this page. And in order to see the work that is due for, let's say, orientation week, you're just going to click on all the blue accordions, and the blue accordions will open up to all the tiles that include all the assignments that you need to complete for this 1 week. And this is the same that you'll see in each week. So I'm clicking on all the tiles. I'll see all the work that's due for the week. And let's say that you want to know if you've completed the work for this week. So here's what you do. Go to this navigation menu here, this round button here in the upper left-hand corner, and you'll see it says View Navigation Menu. I'm going to click that, and it will open to this panel. Look at these two tabs right here. One says Badges and the other is Menu. Let's click on the Badges tab and see what shows up there. So on the badges, it says that you need to earn 13 badges for the Pro. And so that's how many badges you need to earn. You need to complete every assignment on every badge. Even if the badge might be indicating the word light, we have a Champion Light course and a Champion Pro course. You are in the Champion Pro course, so you're going to complete all the tiles on this full page, in every page for each week. When you complete all the tiles, then at the end you have earned the Champion Pro badge. So complete all tiles on this page. If I want to check what the assignments are or which tiles have assignments, I can click on this badge here. It says Apprentice. It's on the top left and it says Awesome Apprentice. That is the badge needed for orientation. I'm going to click on this badge here, and you'll notice when I click on the badge, it highlights in blue. And if you notice on the right, you also see tiles that are highlighted in blue. The tiles that are highlighted in blue mean that those were assignments that needed to be completed. If you look at this tile right here that says What's in it for you, and it's under this Welcome to the Champion program, What's in it for you? Do you notice this round circle with this white check mark? That tells you that you have completed everything in that tile. It's highlighted because it's a tile that needs to have work done or completed. But this tile I've already completed, so I get a check mark. This tile, I've already completed all the work in this tile. But you can see this tile is highlighted, but there's no check mark. This tile is highlighted, but there's no check mark. So the only tiles that are not highlighted are these informational tiles. This one right here, a page with new content, will open each week. These 4 tiles across here, right under you have 2 options for completion. Those are not highlighted, or these 3 tiles are not highlighted, but you see this one right here is highlighted because you need to complete work in that. So the highlighted areas will show you which tiles need completed work. Now and you'll see all the different tiles here, or excuse me, all the different badges here. And when the badges have a complete circle around that, then that badge is complete. Let's go to menu. I'm going to click on menu, and here's an easy way to see how many points you have earned for each assignment in this 1 week. So let's look at weekly content. So you need 110 points total here, and you can see that there are only 5 points that were received. Let's look at the orientation week. So you need 23 points, and I only have 3 out of 23. And on this week 1, the next week, I only have 1 point out of 22. So this will show you all the points that you have for each of the sections. You'll see extras here. On the home page, you'll see an extras tab. That means it is extra. You don't need to complete any of the work in the extras tab. You don't need to complete 91 points or 18 points. All of this is just extra. There's some fun, interesting information if you want to do that, and assignments you want to do. You can do that to earn extra points. And the only thing that those extra points will do is put you higher on the leaderboard. The leaderboard shows the top 10 people who have the most points, but you don't need anything in the extras in order to pass the course. Let's see. Now let's click on My Progress. So I'm going to click on My Progress, and that will open up badges to the right side of your screen. So if you look on the right side of your screen, so here's would be the top users in the leaderboard, and we only have a couple people because this is a demonstration. And here are all the badges you need to earn. So you'll notice it says earn 9 badges for the light, but you're not taking the light, you're taking the pro course. So you're going to earn 13 badges for the pro course. And when these badges have been earned, they will be highlighted. You'll notice that all these badges are grayed out. That's because they haven't been completed yet. As soon as you complete it, you'll see it highlighted. So that's how to see how many points, how many badges you have, and you need 13, and then how many points you have in each of the sections over here in the menu. All the points you would need here, 110 points, 23 points, 22 points. So all of this over here can tell you how many points you need for each section. So that will help you, I think, navigate through all the different ways of finding out how many points you need and how many points you have. When you want to go back, I can just go to under weekly content, and I can go to the orientation week or week 1, but you see week 2 and week 3 and week 4 are locked. At any time, I'm going to go back to orientation week. At any time, you can always go back to complete an assignment. You just can't go forward. Now, the Champion Pro, the Inspire sessions for the Champion Pro course are offered on Thursdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's on Thursdays. It's 4 to 5:30 p.m. If you miss one of those sessions, you can go to, so let's go to the home page here. I'm going to click on the house at the top left. If you miss one of the Inspire sessions, you can go to this events tab right here, click on the events tab, and it will open up and it will have an RSVP. If you're going to attend the session, you click that. And then after the session, they will post the recording, and you can access the recording on this page for each session. Once you access the recording and listen to the full recording, then you will automatically receive those points for that Inspire session. All right, so I'm going to go back to the home page. And remember, the extras tabs are just for things that are extra. It doesn't count as points. It's just gives you extra points, but you don't need to do that to complete the course. And this is the leaderboard if you want to see where you are in the leaderboard. And events is where you would have the recordings of the Inspire sessions. So I hope this helped. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. If you need any help, you can reach out to anyone at the Blanchard Institute and we will be glad to help you. Thanks for joining the course.